It's spitting at me, Joel.
It is me too. I have a burn.
I just got burnt by flaming hot Cheeto liquid. Hello and welcome to Hacker Wack Snack Edition. Today we are ruining some perfectly good Cheetos.
Claire, truer words never spoken.
I hate to go into one of these things like already having made up my mind, but like let's just take a look at the tape. Let's roll the footage.
Okay. Mac and cheese, just plain old mac and cheese.
Whoa.
I know. That's gonna give it that cheesy flavor that everyone likes with the mac and cheese.
Yeah, get that stuff in there.
I don't know if boiling the Cheetos down and combining it with pre-made mac and cheese is going to work.
I'm nothing if not scientifically minded, Joel. So let's go. Let's pop on over to the stove and put some Cheetos in some boiling water.
I got some water already boiling. So in the video, she had really like a lot of Cheetos in relation to water.
I'm adding the ones with lime, just for like that hint of lime.
I'm gonna add this whole bag. I really don't want to.
I only put a few and the water already is bright red like Kool-Aid.
Oh my God.
Oof, oof, this is something.
This has to be a violation of the Geneva Convention. That hint of lime. Because it's TikTok, Joel, there were no measurements given. I feel like I don't have enough Cheetos in here. I'm just gonna add all these Flaming Hots. Why not? Fuck it.
I mean, look at how fancy this is, Claire. Deluxe.
Oh no. This is horrific.
Wow, this color it's literally lava. We have made lava.
It's angry. This is an angry dish made by an angry woman.
Do we kill the heat to add the cheese sauce?
I might like pour out half of this into a smaller pot and then add the cheese sauce because I just think I made too much Cheeto sauce.
Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why?
I'm gonna go ahead and pour just like a smaller amount of this stuff. Oh my God.
Mine now kind of has like a tequila sunrise kind of vibe.
Who is this for? Because like the person who would want something that tasted like this, they're going to buy the official, this isn't an ad for Cheetos brand macaroni and cheese. You don't have to DIY it. Capitalism already took care of it. Oh my God. I hate myself. I'm just gonna give a good,
Okay, I'm
look at that. This looks disgusting.
It looks like something I would not want to eat. Here's mine.
Here, we'll show it on this camera. And we'll show it on this camera. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
It's not as flavorful as I thought it was gonna be.
Am I disappointed? I don't know what emotions I'm feeling. You get the heat at the end, but you don't get the flaming hot Cheeto flavor. It doesn't come through.
It's just a little tiny bit of spice at the end, so I don't know how it's any different from like adding some Tabasco or some cayenne pepper to your regular instant mac and cheese.
Has this woman not heard of hot sauce? She said just to add a few of these for the hint of lime. I don't taste the lime at all, and I added the whole bag.
But Claire, the thing that I will give this though is it is not inedible.
Garnish it with Cheetos and bake it. Use the Cheetos as a crust.
It just tastes like instant mac and cheese with a little bit of spice. The color is off-putting, but it's really fine.
And it looks like this.
Okay, Claire, are you ready to call this?
Yeah, I think it's Wack. I don't know why I keep holding it.
You're holding it like it's gonna get like homier. Like it's gonna be like, look, I made this, it's in a casserole dish.
I should not have put this in my grandmother's Pyrex.